What's up, everybody? Welcome to episode 1 of Arts and Crafts with NS Extra. I'm your host, Chris Cutt, and today our episode will be about carbon fiber, and more carbon fiber. I like carbon fiber. Carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber canards, carbon fiber wheel. Splitters here, they're carbon. Those came out really good, actually. I'm very happy with those. I got these side scoops, they're spoon replicas, and carbon fiber wing. So what I'm going to do is make carbon fiber doors. And the way I'm going to do it, the process, I'm going to make a mold. Alright, so I'm breaking off the mold. I already started to pull this part off a little bit. This part is releasing nicely on the glass. Hopefully it does on the paint too. I have some air here. They do sell plastic wedges for this. I'm hoping I don't need that, but this seems to be working okay. And then I hope that there's not a big mess on the paint. I know there's going to be some kind of mess, and hopefully I can get it cleaned off easily. Alright, so first time doing it was a complete disaster. I'm done trying to do things. That's how I feel right now. I'm pretty pissed. So, it left resin and fiberglass strands, and you can't see it right now because there's not good lighting right here, but it took off a little piece of the black paint right there with it. But that's not all. The tape failed and the resin went through, and that's going to be fun to clean up. And I did everything that I was supposed to do. I've watched so many videos, I've talked to people, I've worked with composites before. I've just never done it on a painted surface like this, but I was really under the impression that if I did everything correctly, it would be overkill and I would not have an issue. However, it lifted up a lot of paint and a lot of clear coat, and it's going to be hard to see it here, but you can see it on the mold. So I'm pretty pissed off. This sucks. So I pulled it out in the daylight so I could see a little better what's going on here. The clear actually liquefied. So it did get reactivated from the heat somehow in certain spots. It's not pretty, but it's not the end of the world, I guess. Part of me feels like I should just step away from the car scene altogether. I get disappointed, really depressed when stuff like this happens. But I know that my mind won't really allow me to do that. I like to modify cars, even if I'm not great at it and I make mistakes. It sucks that it was on this car that I made the mistake, and that it was a pretty big mistake. But I guess they'll have to, I'll probably take the door off and the quarter panel. I'll bring it to a paint shop and I'll have them paint it. So first I'm going to clean off all this stuff the best I can before I bring it to them. That way there won't be much body work for them to do, really. Just a little bit of sanding where the clear and the paint are off. It should be fine. On my finger, you can see a little bit of red here mixed in with the resin. Now this is just resin that I was able to peel off, but parts of it, so there's like resin mixed in with the paint, and there's paint mixed in with the resin. And then if you look down, where was it? There's a spot where you could actually see like a saggy run. I just pressure washed everything to try to get off what I could. It helped a little bit, got some stuff off. But yeah, there's like runs basically in the clear, and at first I thought they were resin, but they're not. Okay, so this happening was really discouraging and frustrating, and somehow I have to find the courage to do the other side, so I really need to find out exactly where I went wrong so I don't make that mistake again. I'm going to release another video showing the exact process I did step by step, every step of the way, and hopefully you guys as viewers, who hopefully some of you know about composites and can tell me where I made the mistake. The good news is I found somebody who will correct my mistake. They've offered to repaint and blend that side of the car for only $800, so that's good news. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I really appreciate the support.